Okay, guys. So today, haven't had much to do with the Civic or the Titan. So what we're gonna do today is pretty sure like you guys, or at least you Titan owners know, a lot of the plastic trim, the black plastic trim on these trucks, age pretty bad over time. Here's a good example right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but pretty faded. Mirrors are actually okay. I actually took off the mud flaps because I'm gonna paint those. Actually started a little bit, so I took them off, cleaned them real well, just put some primer on those two already. I was about to start this one, so just some primer. This is the only kind of primer I had. So I mean, I'm just using what I got. So the Rust-Oleum high heat primer, and for paint I'm using the VHT roll bar and chassis paint, just black. So first coat, and we're gonna do a couple coats here. So I already got that one done with one. Our technique probably isn't the best, but this is primer. And it's plastic pieces, so eventually I'm gonna go taller on the Titan, and eventually put bigger wheels, and I'm eventually gonna take off the mud flaps together. So this is just so it doesn't look too faded. So one coat of primer on all of them. I'll come back and show you how I paint one of them. See how it looks after we're done. This is going to be a short video today. But figured I'd do something instead of not post for a week. Alright, oh, I'm also painting the windshield wiper holders. And I'm also painting with the roll bar and chassis paint from VHT. Okay, so I finished actually painting the mud flaps, and I actually started on the trim right here where the windshield wipers and the water go. As you can see, I'm actually waxing the truck. First time I wax it since I've owned it, and the paint's still really good. The only area that's fading is up here. You can't see because of the wax, but up here it's starting to fade because of the sun. You could see where the clear coat or whatever they put on it is starting to peel away. So waxing it for right now, and I'll probably restore it later on. I haven't seen any aftermarket ones that I really like, but like I said, I'm painting the bezel that goes up there. This is it so far. That's it, and I got this one ready to go. It's primered, ready to go, and I actually ran out of the roll bar and chassis VHT paint. So I only got to just sprinkle it on there, and I had this one. Almost out as well. It's probably just enough for that other one on the other side, and we have to redo these. Paint started to run too much, so we'll see if we have enough for all that. Good morning, guys. So I didn't finish off the video the day that I was painting the plastic on the Titan. I got it installed. All I'm finishing up is the windshield wiper handles. I ran out of paint and I had to resand it because it wasn't coming out right. So still doing that now. Yeah, I had to go buy, like I said, I ran out of paint, so I went to go buy some primer because I had to sand it, and about some more VHT. Okay, so like I was showing you guys, on the actual plastic that goes right next or right under the windshield, I used what I had, and it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not faded anymore. It's pretty good. I think this is the side where I stopped using the the VHT one, started using what I had laying around. But I'll show you the mud guards or the mud flaps. Nice and shiny compared to what they were. I'm really happy how they came out. Yeah. So all four look pretty good. Why isn't that all the way up? Alright, so it's a nice dark rich color. Matches everything else on the truck. Just everything's not faded anymore, so I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna finish up with these windshield wipers, show you how they look when I'm done. I'm probably gonna put one more coat of primer and let it sit for a little while and then start painting it. All right, so see you guys in just a bit.